Yeah, so welcome to the first video of official SMM, and today we will be learning how to sign in. Sign in if you already have an account, or sign up if you don't have an account. You have to always register before logging into an SMM panel. This official SMM is the cheapest panel. So if and about trust, we are the most trusted. So yeah, let's get started on today's video. Firstly, you need to type down the address of our website, our panel, which is OFFI officialsmm.xyz has come. So let's go to it. So as you see, when you first open the website, you can see the welcome notification, and one important thing is that we give 1 rupee bonus. As mentioned, yes, as starters bonus, we will be crediting 1 rupee to your account to try out our freebies. You can either try Instagram followers or Instagram likes, anything for that 1 rupee that we'll be crediting to your account. And how to claim that? You can claim that by raising a ticket or just messages on Instagram. Instagram account name is official SMM. Yeah, or you can find it below. If you scroll right below, you can find the Instagram logo to your down right corner. So yeah, let's get started. So this is our page, our official SMM panel, and all you need to do is just go through all this. I would recommend you to go through the terms and conditions, because that's really important. And those of you who are not new to this SMM, social media marketing, I think you might know what the terms and conditions might contain. So let's get to it. As you see, you can see that get started now. Click on that get started now, and they'll redirect you to the sign up page. Give in your details in the sign up page, because it's important to register. And when you register, we who are running the website know that it's you. And when you raise a ticket or when you messages on Instagram, we know who we are crediting the 1 rupee to, right? We have to give you the bonus. So in order to give you the bonus, you have to register so that it comes to your account, it gets added to your account, and you can try out our freebies. So let's get started. Firstly, put your name down. You can put whatever your name is. Yeah, that's your first name, last name. Put your email ID, which is you can put your email ID. Okay. Right? And password. See, people have this confusion everywhere. Not everywhere, at least like most of them just keep asking, why should I give my email password? Why should I give my email password while registering? See, you don't need to give your email password to register. All we need is your email and any password. You can give any password. That is just to register your account. Not you don't have to give your email password. Okay, so it can be any password. And this is your time zone. I don't think it's really important, but if you wish to, you can set your times. You can set up your time zone too. Here, hey Kolkata, I set up my time zone. You have to give agree to terms and policy. If you have not read the terms and policy, please read it so that you know what you're getting into. Okay, and create account. There, our account is created now. Yeah, so this will be our opening page.